Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me a LENOVO Extreme Tab, and now I'm gonna show you how to make this device faster. Okay, so firstly you need to open the settings. To open the settings of your device, you can open the control panel and find settings here. Then scroll down and find here information about your device. So find about phone, and here we can check our storage. As you can see, I have available only 230, so maybe not only, but I have available 236 gigabytes of 256. So I have a lot of free space, but you need to remember the one rule. If you will fill up your internal storage over the 70% full, your tablet will start to slow down. So I suggest you to have 30 or 25% of free storage always. Cool. Next step is the RAM. So all processes that are running at the moment, they are running in RAM. So here again, the winner is one who invests in a device with more temporary storage. And in our case, is device with, we have, as you can see here, a lot of RAM. So here we have 12 gigabytes, but sometimes it's good to clean the applications from the RAM. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye. See you.